we're on our way for another shoot. Today we are shooting
turn
it's
left
actually
onto London Road, then turn right onto Upper Road.
Hey everyone, welcome to our behind the scene video of an incredible live recording shoot we just wrapped up here in London. This project was a mix of creativity, resourcefulness and teamwork. So let's dive in and show you how we pulled this off on a budget. Bow. Bow. Kilo lo. Ah, jeng bo. Apa na? Ya, wow, okay. Kilo lo. Kilo sele.
Kilo jende. Apa shutdown ni?
Oh, ti open. Oh. Okay. Yeah, adúpẹ́ Ọlọ́run. Oh, jeng bo mama ko. First thing first, meet the crew and our amazing artists. Everyone worked tirelessly to make this shoot come alive. You guys look familiar though. Have you met before?
At the Python Ross.
Oh, really? Oh, hi.
We've already finished.
Hello?
Yeah, we start at 1 o'clock.
This bro looks very familiar.
I see you somewhere.
Are you related to the king? No.
Probably King Zamunda.
Oh, the Wakanda guy. Ah, I knew it. The way you were walking. Oh, is this the same guns that you have?
No, this one is new.
It's a new one.
Yeah, this is...
All right, it's fine. You've upgraded though, seriously.
Where you guys go? Oh, well. Hello guys, my name is Adedotun. People call me ADG, so my nickname is ADG. And yeah, I'm the guitarist for today. I have my Fender guitar with me and my headrush fed up with my MIDI controller. And yeah, it's gonna be a nice section. Yeah.
Yes. Hello everyone, it's Mike Derry, your sound technician, audio guy. Yeah, follow me at Mike_Darry_. So yeah, today I'll be handling everything sound related, but also technical. Guys, anything you want, just let me know and I'll be the guy to get it done for you.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel Adeniran. I'm running bass today.
Perfect though. How can we find you?
Instagram at KKBass, KAYKAY bass.
Alright, perfect. Alright. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm passing the mic to some of the crew members and here they are.
Hello, sir. Guys, he said we should be going home. He said we should be going home. That is tomorrow, not today.
Okay, so here with me today is Mr. Tosi. So he's one of the saxophonists for the live recording. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Tosin Sass. I play sax. So we are here tonight, I think, to shut this place down tonight. That's how I have to say.
And live and direct, I'm here once again. This is Angeli Odifere on the street. Sax Angel, yeah, that's how we roll. So we've got the crew doing amazing things today, and it's gonna be fire. So watch out for the live recording.
Yeah,
we're all right.
how you doing?
Yeah, good.
Well, today we are having Messianic Worship Experience 2.0 live right here, Terminal Studios. It's going to be an awesome time in the presence of God, which I'm looking up to what God is going to do today. See, my lady evangelist.
What are you doing today?
Messianic Worship Experience 2.0. My name is Annette.
All right. My name is Dapsi Court. I'm playing the keyboards.
Yo. Yeah, good.
He's Kim, right?
Yeah. How you doing? Yeah. How's it going? Okay, where?
I think we're upstairs.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, wow. Okay, so we need to wait till the boss arrives.
Yeah.
Seriousness on your face, I was like, wow, you should be acting. Fantastic. How you doing?
When we arrived, the venue was well cozy to say the least. So the first thing we did was figure out how to make the most of the space. We kept the space minimalist to avoid clutter, using lighting and angles to create a visual depth. Yes. You can stay there behind me.
So, show my brother. Okay.
You can stand as well. Standing. For the videography, we went with a multi-camera setup. Our main workhorse was the Sony a7S III paired with a Sigma 70-200 f2.8 lens, which gave us those beautiful close-up shots of the artist and the main focal point of the performance. The Sony a7 III with a Sigma 24-70mm f2.8 lens handled the medium shot, capturing the artist in context with the stage and the atmosphere. For some creative angles, we used two iPhone 15 Pro Max devices. One focuses on close-up shots of the instrumentalist and the other mounted on a gimbal to capture smooth crowd shots. Our trusty GoPro Hero 10 was perfect for a bird-eye view of the drummer, while the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 gave us a dynamic and intimate shot of the backup vocalists. That's Mr. Jordan. He's doing the lighting for today.
Where are we using?
Yeah, Terminal Studio.
I don't know what light I'm going to use.
Okay. Let me take you off first.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Lighting can make or break any shoot, and in a small space like this, we had to get creative. Here's what we use: 3 Falcon Eye RX2 for our main illumination, while we use 2 Godox VL300 lights for our accent and fill lighting. Also a handful of small LED lights for added depth and for some atmosphere. The challenge was to make the space feel larger. The close-up shot on the artist and the instrumentalist made the performance feel intimate, while the crowd shot added energy. With everything set up, it was time to roll. Each camera and lighting setup brought a unique perspective to the shoot. The combination of close-up shots, dynamic crowd shots, and the creative angles gave us exactly the look we were going for. This shoot was proof that you don't need a huge budget to create something amazing. With a solid plan, great teamwork, and a bit of creativity, anything is possible. Big shout out to everyone who made this happen. You guys are incredible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind the scene content.